Hey everyone and welcome back to another tech tip and guide video.
In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for Plenty of Fish. So first of all, to get signed into Plenty of Fish, you must have installed the Plenty of Fish app on your Android device or your iOS. Or you could also do this process in the PC without installing it. Once you have installed Plenty of Fish, open it. And here on the bottom of the screen, you can see an option where if you already have an account, you can simply log into your account. But since we don't have an account, we'll create one. First of all, we will enter our name. And tap sign up. Then it will ask us to enter our username, email and password. After filling in your details, tap next.
And here you have to fill in your location, gender, birth date and ethnicity.
First of all, select your country. Then select the state. Then type in your city. And finally type in your postal code. And after filling in all the details, tap continue.
And there, you have successfully signed up for Plenty of Fish. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.